Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to chat with Elizabeth. So, this green lipstick that I have on right now, like I've been wanting to wear it forever. Do wear it at times, but like I'm never satisfied with the look of it. It just like never works for me, right? So, instead of just saying, you know what, I'm gonna return it, I decided, okay, well, what what do I have in my makeup box that's gonna make this work? Because I like dramatic lips, but like kind of like neutral eye and neutral everything else. I don't want like dramatic eye and dramatic lip. I feel like that's too much. So I went to my makeup box and I saw like I had some eyeshadows I could use, and I found like an eyeliner that could also be used as a lip liner. And I did that and I like my look. So I'm saying this to say this. I've said all that to say you can always repurpose things that you've already have in your life working for you to help you accomplish your goal. I've had another green lipstick before and I didn't know what to do with it. It was metallic and I returned it after so many tries. I was like, you know what? It's not gonna work. I returned it. But this one was actually a gift from my bestie. And I was like, I don't want to return this. I really like green. I like green. That's my favorite color. And I want to wear it on my lip, but I didn't know how to make it work. Of course, I know like the camera is not, picking up my green eyeshadow. It's like very light. It's very pretty. It's very subtle, but it brings out the green on my lip really well without it being too much. When I was just doing the neutral eye, just like with no eyeshadow on my eyelids, with nothing, just putting some mascara on my eyelashes, it just didn't work. It didn't work. So me repurposing what I already had, like my green eyeshadow palette I had, and my green eyeliner that could also serve as a lip liner. It just worked. Repurposing things that I already had in my life that worked. Sometimes we forget that, we have other things going on for us in our life, and we focus on the things that are not going well. When you focus on the problems in your life, you'll get lost in it. You'll see that there is no way out. Like you'll get lost, you'll get frustrated and all this stuff. So what you want to do when frustration is kicking in, take a step back, relax, you know, do something different, then come back. Look at what you have already in your life and see how can I repurpose this to work for that. Okay? So, I know it's silly that I was able to learn a lesson from makeup, from using my makeup. But this is real. This is something you can use, in your real life. How can I repurpose something that's already working for me towards my goal? For example, let's say you have a waitressing job, right? And the skills that you are using to wait tables, you could also use that skill to network and build your business. So when the clients comes in at the restaurants, and you gotta be nice to them, you introduce yourself, you gotta be nice, pleasant, so that they could leave you a nice tip, right? And you do your job well. So that skill can also be used towards building a business. You need to network, right? You need to find customers, right? You could use your person skill, your people skills that you learned at your waitressing job to build your client base towards your own business. So that's one example. I'm pretty sure you guys can think of countless ones, okay? So look at your life. Look at what's working for you. And think of yourself, how could I use that right now towards my dream? So please leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Definitely leave us, comments about this topic. Thanks again, guys. You have a good day. Bye.